Hey guys, I'm back, and we finished with Spada.
Hey,
I think
look,
it's time
Danny.
for.
Thank you, Roberto. I don't have to sleep in the rain anymore.
I don't. Got distracted. Sorry. It's time for Philly's mission. You remember Philly, the funny mechanic, who tried to blow us up? Yeah, that guy. Because he's the only one left, I think, whose mission we need to do. I mean, there's still some other side quests and stuff, but from this area, it's kind of the main thing that's left. So let's check it out, what he has in mind. I also really want to collect all these Oko dolls, and when I zoom in, there's still so many, but that's kind of in the next area already, I think. Right? Yes, see, it's out of bounds. In this area, we kind of collected everything, at least as far as we know. We don't know all the blackout areas yet. And there are still maybe some scouts who can tell us some things, but that's a good start. So, wait. Chorizo is not here. Philly? Oh, that's
Shit,
him.
good. Joseph. So we're good friends now, see? No hard feelings?
Yeah.
Almost blowing you up is the past.
Uh-huh.
We got to look to the future. And I see a military truck in your future. With special ammo,
Sorry, he's just
special
hilarious.
weapons, and a special sauce.
Confidence, the
And
charm.
Philly wants it real bad. I like to plan ahead. And I got big plans to bump up the Montero firepower, see? First step is that truck.
Alright.
They're loading it up at Ocaso Marina. Bring the truck back to me in one piece, Hiro. I got big plans, buddy.
I guess I'll try.
Suerte.
Thank you.
Bring it back and we'll talk.
That way. Ooh, it's so far away. Can we just... Yes, we can. Let's take the airdrop from here. And try to get as close as we can to that military truck. Oh, wingsuit. Whoa. Whee. Oh, I'm going too fast. Going too fast. Before I enter the forbidden zone. Oh. The bunker is empty. Can I have a peek? Sneak peek. Okay. I'm gonna go up. I have to go all the way around. Oh, there it is. There's a sign. Let's read the sign. And I should unmark this because it's very distracting. No pasa. Keep out military zone. Yes. See, I was going even in the wrong direction because of the Ocus idol being tagged.
Philly, I'm at the marina.
Now, whatever happens, just don't bounce the sweet baby.
What?
The truck, don't damage it. Drive like there's a big bouncy baby feeling in
Okay.
the back.
Okay.
Bouncing baby Philly. Got it.
You're gonna make baby Philly cry. Just bring that truck back in one piece, okay, Hiro?
We will see.
Can't hide from me.
Oi, oi, oi. So many. Oh. All with big booms. I'm pretty sure there's more under me that I just cannot see. But I think the sniper should be the first one to go. But I want to see his head. I don't see his head. Oh, there's an area inside. Okay.
Right where Philly said it would be.
Shit. I kinda gave myself away big time. People are panicking. Good. The animal. Let's release the croc. Hope he's gonna be on my side. Ooh. Oh no,
Bad
the dog.
dog.
Yes, bad dog. Oh. Oh, there's more people. Dang. No. Did they just call for help? Because that would be very, very bad. It is very, very bad. Shit. Shit, 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 shit.
They got air support!
Not good, not good, not good. Trying to shoot the pilot. God damn it. Do I have anything stronger? Nope, pistol. Ooh. This does not help. Maybe I should have used my big boom because there are two guys out. That's right. I missed. No, I did not miss. That's great. But everybody's gonna be coming my way now, I think. Wait, what? Where are you going so fast? Okay. I got you first. Where do you think you're going? Ah, this is not going as I planned. There's two more incoming. And the doggy. Oh, he's coming. Stuck. Come on, boy, you got this. Okay. Don't feel good killing dogs, but... And then there's the croc, right? And the others are too far away, so didn't notice all the noise. My god, this has not been going well. I think I'm gonna try to go down somehow. Hop. I wanna get the croc, who's probably damaged by now. Guess who's back? Cannot draw out through here, I can draw out through there. Or I can finish killing everybody and then loot the place. For example, I would really like to get more ammo. Yes, thank you. Ooh, gasolina. There's an exclamation point. Can I? Shit. God damn it. How do I... No. This one. Oh, I have nothing better except this. Come my way. Yes, come on. Please come on my way. Ha, the second one. Dude, you're gonna be stuck in there. Yes, you cannot move, I'm sure. That's rather mean now, right? Hey, 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 hey! arm off. Can I pick this up? Okay. Ooh! Oi. Gasolina. More ammo would be nice. And the cat off my screen would be nice too. What is this? Read. Don't go in the water. The bastards have put mines under there. We already lost 4 boats. For fuck's sake, don't try swimming either. No, 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 that's my drink. No, 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 no. Stop it. Okay. Ow! Stop it. Very hyperactive boy. Also, I saw some sharks here. That might be worth something. Anyway, I think I was having too much fun just killing everybody. I think it's time we actually take the truck and bring it back to Philly. Because I'm pretty sure that's gonna be another adventure. Oh god. How do I turn off the music? Wait, wait, wait. Turn stereo on off. Oh, good to know for the future. Already crashed the truck. What is this brown truck? Oh, I'm not such a good driver. I think my destination is the other way around. Oh no, I just need to follow this big main road. Continuously follow until I get even on the bigger one.
Hola, Philly. One very stolen truck is on the way.
Very stolen.
Okay, send it straight into my loving arms. But don't let nobody follow you. Huh? Be like a cat in the night. A
OMG.
smooth, sleek, sexy cat.
Are you kidding me? All of them are
I'm more
here
of a
for
dog
me?
person.
So is chorizo. But he forgets sometimes.
Philly's going to be
You're kidding me, right?
Philly, I lost the truck.
That truck was empty.
Oh, I lost the truck! Why? I actually didn't expect it to explode. I thought it... Then how the hell am I supposed to do this?
right where Philly said it would be.
Oh, we're gonna do this again. Alright, let's
Okay,
do it
watch
better this
yourself,
time.
Danny. Sniper on Overwatch.
Let's take the sniper first. There. Then... There's this boy. Walking away, this guy. Alright. Alright. Oh. Please don't call help. Please don't call help. Nope, nope. Somebody can see me before I
Hijo de
can.
puta!
Can I maybe release the croc? Do you think the croc will get him? I sure can hope, right? Oh yes, they're running away from the croc. Ah, this is hilarious. You get them. They're trying to kick it. Oh no, there's the dog too. It's too far away. I think I cannot kill the dog. Oh yeah, the dog has been killed. Great. And the enemies have been killed too. Now I just have an angry crocodile to deal with. Zoop. Zoop. What if I very carefully, quietly drive away without, you know, trying to kill every single person here? What do you guys think? There's a croc and there's someone on the docks. But what if I just drive away?
Hola, Philly. One very stolen truck.
What if I choose the other way? That route really sucks, but maybe it's worth a shot. I will try to go left. And he said that I have to be very
He's
gentle.
on the way.
Perfect. Send that straight into my loving arms. But don't let nobody. Be like a cat in the night. A smooth, sleek, sexy cat.
I'm more of a dog person.
So is Chorizo. But he forgets sometimes.
Okay. If I follow the blue path. Oh god, what am I doing? Do you guys think I can even cross this? And actually that was not my plan, I wanted to turn here. But I think I will try to continue going straight and then maybe use this road. If we fail, we just do it again, right? Wait. No, I cannot cross here. Not with a vehicle. Look at this water. Or maybe I can if I turn left. Let's try. See? Wait. Kind of got out. Oopsie. Let's see. We still have to continue straight left through this other shore. I'm sorry, Scout. I'll talk to you next time. We found the big road. We're gonna stay on it. And just, I hope that there will be no choppers. No choppers, please. No choppers. Am I going the right way? It's not like that, right? Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Just go. Oh, very stolen truck. Whew. Checkpoints. Or something, right? I can simply continue straight all the way, right? So let's do that. Let's continue straight all the way. It's not really a road for a truck, but that's fine-ish. Okay. I kind of think... Oi. Is that thunder and lightning? Oh, we're so close. Whoa, that is thunder, right? Wait. Maybe I need to continue around? I think so. Because last time I drove in and then it was not good. So I will continue around. The storm is starting. Wait. Okay. Dirt roads. Oops. Is it here? I think so. Okay. Is he waiting here? Not really. He was scared of the rain. Oh, even though we had to retry this. Wow.
Sikula. The hero returns.
Yeah, and the hero needs rum.
Oh! I did a good job.
Figa.
Or
What's
he wanted
happening
just
here?
this.
Feely magic, babe.
Mierda, I almost died for packing foam.
No. White gold. Hard to get. Burns like a motherfucker. Everything gotta know a purpose, hero. Even you.
Okay. Indeed. So we did finish this mission as well. That was actually not that difficult. Sometimes I feel like taking out outposts or me just roaming around, I get into bigger trouble than actually doing some of these missions. So far they've been very nice and smooth, which I'm very grateful for. But we immediately got another mission for Carlos Montero. This wasn't here before, called Operation Sundown. And I do believe... Oh no, I have to rescue someone. Actually thought that it might be the final one of this region, but I guess Sundown Operation is gonna be next. See you guys soon.